I think it's very, very pretty. So pretty. Hello everybody, welcome to my Katya beauty style channel, and today I'm introducing you new eyeshadow palette from Chanel. It's number 3 Tweed Fauve. It's so hard for me to pronounce, but we have a beautiful 4 colors here. Let me show you a little bit close. Kind of a little bit hot in my room, but we have a beautiful like a brown color, and it's looks like almost matte, have a little bit sheen but not much. Then we have a lighter color, which one I really like it. It's like it's a peachy soft color. Then we have a gold shimmer, I will say metallic, and another matte color, it's more orange. It is, I will not say 100% this palette it's matte. When you apply it, has slightly little bit sheen. Even some people will say, hi, it's matte, but it's not matte. And on eyelid it looks beautiful, spectacular, and this is so beautiful look. Fall look. I think this is collection first day available at Nordstrom September 1st. It is limited edition. It is only 5, I believe, store receives this collection. You can buy 3 or 4 same palettes. It's coming 4 different palettes. You can buy single eyeshadow per day. What it means, I can just sell you only 4 colors, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. This is its palette number 3, and I already made a video where I show in all 4 eyeshadows. Also on all 4 palettes I create look, and let's start. Let me show you how I create this beautiful sexy look. And of course I will, in this video I will show you lip color. It will be Chanel, almost 90% it will be all Chanel products. Enjoy, comments below, love you more than ice cream, and let's start. Girls, I need your help. Can you just give me a like, zing in this bell, subscribe my YouTube channel. Love you all. Let's do it. Woohoo! Yes, another eyeshadow from Chanel. It's here, and it's number 3 Tweed Fauve. It's so hard for me to pronounce, but let's start. I'll try again. Very easy to make easy for you to work with this palette, and I love this palette. It's so pretty. Okay, let's start it. I have already just foundation on my face, and I feel my brow. We're gonna apply first primer from Chanel. We want eyeshadows to stay all day, not run, not crease, and this is why we're using eyeshadow primer. Because we don't have any lighter eyeshadow here, I'm gonna use a little bit eye brightener from Chanel, and I'm gonna apply close to my brows. Let me put my hair back. It will be a little bit more easy for me, and we are gonna use right now first color, and this one, it's a little bit iridescent peachy, but it's really light color. Eyeshadow don't shades. Looks like it's good quality. Again, to me this 1, 2, 3, it will give you a little bit glow, but it's not metallic or shimmer. Here it's only 1 color. Which one is shimmer? It's this one, like a gold color. Basically, we apply on the entire eyelid and go up close to my brows, but not all the way. Color, it looks really soft. I actually really like it. I'll be honest, just this one eyeshadow, it's make my eyes so beautiful and blue. I can just put a little bit eyeliner, mascara, and it's ready to go to work. To me, this will be very beautiful palette for work. Okay, we have one color. Now I'm gonna use another color, and it's beautiful orange color. This is orange color. I'm gonna apply above my suckle area, and I'm blending. Don't put too much of this color. It's better go very softly, and then just build to a darker color if you decide. Now it's already September, and I hope everyone doing good, because my August, it's the worst month of the year. My tire blew out, computer broke, 2 cell phones of my kids, it's broke, and it's still war in my country. I'm original from Ukraine, and then I spoke with my mom, and she got a thyroid cancer, just like I am. I don't have no more thyroid, but it's like awful. Then I'm supposed to go to Miami to a concert, and it's not happened. Now it's September, and you know what? I'm not a person who praying to God. I just like, if it is God in this world, He know if I need help or not. This is just how I think about. But people tell me like, oh, you should just like put like it's oh my god, sage in your house, this and that. I don't think I need this. I just need to work, and I knew everything will be okay. Okay, just a little bit story of my life if you not know about anything about me. Now I have a small tiny brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful, it's, to me it's like it's brown, but I feel like it's have slightly little bit purple color here. It's beautiful. I came to camera a little bit more close. I want you to see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna apply on the bottom on my lash. This technique will give me an eye lift without plastic surgery. Okay, oops. And it's okay, later on we will use big blending brush and we will blend everything. Now I'm just feeling corner of my eye, and now I'm gonna use brand new eyeliner from Chanel and applying close to my lash line. Same this eyeliner, I'm gonna apply a little bit more in the corner, then we're gonna put as this gold shimmer eyeshadow. Color will look a little bit more vibrant. Now I have a big blending brush, and we're gonna just blend this corner and go up. Wow, this truly colors make my eyes so blue. And now I'm gonna use again newest waterproof eyeliner from Chanel, and I need to really work close to my lashes. I need to lift this and just put on my waterline just like this. And then I'm gonna show you my little bit trick. I want this pencil like more sharp, and I use my just paper towel, and I'm just shaving this and make more pointy and skinny. And I'm gonna use this eyeliner on the top. And now I'm gonna use this beautiful gold eyeshadow. I'm using small tiny brush. and I am applying kind of on the center of my eye. I think I'm gonna use my little bit finger. Yeah, it's better. Colors go a little bit more brighter, more intense. Ooh, so pretty. Now it's time to put primer, mascara, and we're almost done. And I see I need a little bit blend right here. Now I'm gonna use the volume mascara, very little, because I'm gonna put false lashes, and of course I'm gonna put mascara on the bottom. My eyes is done, but I decided to add something. I want a little bit sparkles, little shimmer, and I'm gonna use #1 palette. Again, it's a newish Chanel palette, Tweed Curve, and I'm gonna use this little bit shimmer sparkle eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little bit on the center of my lid. Coming to you close, you can see, so pretty. Okay, lashes done. Now I'm gonna put a little bit concealer, powder, bronze, highlighter, and will be mission complete. Okay, now let's do concealer first. I'm gonna use concealer from Chanel, and it's set medium to full coverage concealer. Really like this color. Which one I'm gonna use? It's B20. Now I have a concealer brush from Chanel, and I'm just gonna basically like pat this concealer, and I pushing concealer up. It's gonna give me extra lift. After 40 I need this. And now I have another brush, and I'm just gonna little bit blend this back to my skin, this concealer. And you can see how beautiful this concealer looking. And I am like, if it's everyone applying just here and here, I still like little bit drop on my cheek. Right, I'm gonna set my makeup with loose powder from Chanel. Ooh. I don't know why, but I just think a second ago, like, I'm gonna be 70. It will be cool probably looking my own videos in YouTube, because I'm gonna be already like older one compared to, you know, but I think it will be look cool and think, oh, I used to be young, used to look good. Now I'm gonna use my La Beige powder from Chanel. It is a powder, but I am using number 40 is my bronze, and you can see I really like this. Now it's time to use highlighter, and again it's one of my favorite now, number 30. It's rose gold Chanel, and I applying above my cheek, little bit in the corner here, little bit right here, and time to use a blush. I decided to put this little bit highlighter on the corner of my eyes. Ooh, it's so pretty. No one woman not pretty. We're all beautiful and gorgeous. We just need a little bit makeup. And I hope you've learned this technique from me. I hope you like this technique. Okay, let's see next. Next I'm gonna use a blush, and for my blush I'm gonna use 320. It is a little bit deeper color, but it's fall, and it will go very pretty. And I applied right here, it's my highlighter, right here it's my bronze. I applied between, and it's a small brush for powder, but this is like amazing brush. I have 2 or maybe even 3, because it's perfect for blush, for contour, for highlighter, for everything. For my lips, because it's fall, I'm gonna go with number 164 lip liner, and it's have like a plummy color, and it's a deeper color, Sweet Berry 142. Ooh, it is deeper color, but again, it's fall and we'll see if it will work or not. Ooh, it is pretty. It is really pretty color. I finished my look. It is beautiful, gorgeous look. I think it's like gold was so pretty with my brown color or brunette. I'm like hot brunette right now. Girls, if you like this video, please comment below. Please give me suggestion. Please, if you don't like something, let me know. I'm a listener. I wanna learn from you what it's worth for me, what it's not worth for me. Again, remember, you will receive 4 different videos for 4 different brand new Chanel eyeshadows, and you let me know which one is your favorite look. And again, I decide a little bit different. They are like will be 4 different videos. Again, this is, I will say, beautiful for fall. And okay, what should I say? Love you more than ice cream. I will see you in my next video. Comments below. Bye everybody.